Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today.
Yes, it is great to see you, Paul. How are you?
I am okay, thank you. A little tired.
Oh, tired already? It's only the afternoon.
I know. I had a very busy morning. And you, Emily, how are you?
I am great. I am very, very happy today.
You are always happy, Emily. Why are you happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big, warm coffee.
That helps. I have tea, green tea.
Green tea is very good too.
Yes. Well, Emily, before we start our chat, we should ask everyone.
Oh, yes, good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button.
Yes, please do. And subscribe to Mr. English Channel. It helps us make more podcasts for you.
And share this with your friends. If your friend is learning English, maybe they like our chat too.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so Paul,
Yes, Emily.
today we are just talking, right?
Yes, this episode is real English conversation. We are just friends talking.
I love this. Okay, so Mr. Tired, why are you tired?
Oh no, it's work.
Work. A hard day?
Yesterday was a very long day. Whew.
Oh, really? What happened at work?
We had a big meeting.
A meeting? With your boss?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team, everyone.
Oh, I do not like big meetings. They are long.
So long. This meeting was 3 hours.
3? Wow.
Yes, 3 hours of talking.
Oh, my goodness. Talking about what?
The boss wants a new report. A very big report. All about numbers.
Oh, numbers. I don't like numbers.
Me too. I like words, but he wants this big report on Friday.
Friday? But today is Tuesday.
I know. Friday. It is very fast.
So, you are very busy.
We are all very busy. The team is stressed.
Stressed? Oh, no.
Yes, and there is a small problem. A problem with people.
Oh? People?
My colleagues. You know Tom.
Yes, I know Tom. He is tall. He is very funny.
Yes, that's Tom. Well, Tom and Sarah.
Sarah? I don't know Sarah.
Sarah is new. She is very nice, very quiet.
Oh, okay. Tom, loud, and Sarah, quiet.
Yes, exactly. And they work together on this report.
Oh, no.
Yes. Tom, he talks a lot. And Sarah, she works hard. She is very focused.
I see. So, Tom talks and Sarah works.
Yes. And yesterday, Sarah was sad.
Sad? Why?
I think Tom said something.
Something not nice?
I don't know. I was not there. But Sarah, she looked very down. She said, Tom is difficult.
Oh, that is hard. Work problems are the worst.
Yes, I like Tom and I like Sarah. I want everyone to be happy.
Is your boss, Mr. Henderson, angry?
No, the boss is okay. He is just busy. He doesn't see the problem.
He only sees the big report.
Yes, exactly. He just says, I need the report on Friday.
So, Tom and Sarah must work together.
Yes, and I sit between them.
Oh, Paul, that is difficult.
Today, at lunch, I ate alone.
Alone? But you always eat lunch with Tom.
I know, but today, Tom ate at his desk, and Sarah ate at her desk.
Oh, so the office was quiet.
Very quiet. Too quiet. I do not like it.
Work is much better with friends.
Yes, much, much better.
So, what is your plan?
I have an idea. A good idea. I think so. I need your help.
My help? Okay.
Coffee?
Coffee. Yes.
Yes, I will buy coffee for Sarah.
Oh, that is very kind, Paul.
And maybe coffee for Tom?
Yes, coffee for everyone.
I will go to the coffee shop. The coffee stop.
Oh, the one on the corner? With the big green sign?
Yes, that one.
Paul, they have good cookies there.
Cookies.
Yes, big chocolate cookies.
Emily, you are very smart.
Buy coffee and cookies. People are always happy with cookies.
Okay, a coffee for Sarah and a cookie for Sarah. And a coffee for Tom and a cookie for Tom.
Yes, perfect plan.
I will do that at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Good, before lunch.
I hope it works. I hope they talk.
I hope so too. You are a good friend, Paul.
Thank you. I just want a happy office.
And good luck with the numbers.
Oh, yes. The report. So many numbers.
Is it math?
Yes. Adding, subtracting, looking at numbers. It's boring.
I am very bad at math.
Me too. I like talking.
Yes, talking is easy. Math is hard.
Okay. Enough work talk. Whew, it makes me tired again.
Okay.
So, Emily, you said you are very happy.
I am.
Is it just the coffee?
The coffee is very good. But no, I have wonderful news.
Oh, good news. Tell me.
My best friend, Maria.
Maria! Yes, I know Maria. She is very fun. She has long black hair.
Yes, that's her. Well, Maria is getting married.
What? Married? Wow!
Yes, she told me last night. I am so excited.
That is fantastic news. Wow. When is the wedding?
Next month.
Next month? That is very soon.
I know, very fast, but they are so happy.
That is the important part. Who is she marrying?
His name is Leo. He is very nice. He is a doctor.
A doctor. Very good.
Yes, Maria is so happy. The wedding, Paul, the wedding is in a garden.
A garden wedding. Oh, that is beautiful. With flowers?
Yes, lots of flowers, trees. It will be very nice.
So, you are excited.
I am, but I am also stressed.
Stressed? Why? It is a happy time.
I know, but Paul, I need a dress.
Ah, a dress for the wedding.
Yes, a new dress. A beautiful dress.
Oh, that is fun. Shopping.
It is fun, but it is hard.
Hard? Why?
What color?
That is a good question.
I like blue. Do you like blue?
Blue is a very nice color. Yes, a blue dress.
But Maria loves green. Maybe I should wear green for Maria?
Green is nice too. A green dress in a garden. Yes, that is very good.
Okay. Green or blue? I don't know.
Okay.
And long dress or short dress?
A garden wedding? Maybe a long dress? It's very elegant.
Yes, a long dress. Okay, a long green dress.
Sounds beautiful, Emily.
But shoes.
Oh no, more problems?
Yes, shoes. I cannot wear high shoes. You know, heels.
Ah, yes, heels. Why not?
In the garden, in the grass.
Oh, yes. True. Heels in the grass, no, not good.
Yes, so I need flat shoes.
Flat shoes are comfortable. Good.
Okay, so a long green dress and flat shoes.
And where will you go shopping?
I think the big mall.
The mall is good. Many shops.
Yes, I will go on Saturday.
Saturday is a good day for shopping.
But, Paul, I am short.
Emily, you are not that short.
I am. And long dresses, they are always too long for me.
Huh, I see. The dress is on the floor.
Yes, I need a person to make the dress short.
Ah, a tailor.
Yes, that word. Tailor.
You can find a tailor. First, find the dress.
Okay. Blue or green?
What color are your eyes, Emily?
They are blue.
Okay, then wear blue. A blue dress. It is perfect.
Oh, good idea, Paul. A long blue dress.
Yes.
And shoes? What color shoes?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, this is hard.
Maybe white or silver?
Ooh, silver. Yes, silver flat shoes.
Very nice.
And a small silver bag.
Yes. Look, you have a plan.
I have a plan. A long blue dress, silver flat shoes, and a silver bag.
Perfect. You will look beautiful.
Thank you, Paul. See? Talking helps.
It does.
Where did Maria meet Leo?
Oh, yes. Good question.
It is a very funny story. They met at the supermarket.
No. Really?
Yes, Maria was buying apples, red apples, and Leo, he was buying oranges.
Apples and oranges.
Yes, and whisper, Maria dropped the apples.
Oh, no.
Yes, apples everywhere, all over the floor. And Leo helped her. He got on the floor, he picked up the apples.
Aw, that is very nice. Like a movie.
Yes, and he looked at her and said, "Your apples are very red."
Your apples are red.
Yes, Maria laughed, And they had coffee.
Ah, coffee again. Coffee is important.
Yes. And now, a wedding.
That is a great story. I like that.
Me too. So, yes, I'm very happy for her.
That is wonderful news.
I will show you a photo of the dress when I buy it.
Okay, please show me the photo. The long blue dress.
And the silver shoes.
And the silver shoes.
So, this week, you have a big, boring report.
Yes, with Tom and Sarah and cookies.
And I have a big, fun wedding.
Yes, a busy week for us.
What will you do on Friday night after the report?
Friday night, I will go home. I will take off my work clothes.
Yes. And put on pajamas?
Yes, my comfortable blue pajamas.
Blue pajamas?
Yes, and I will sit on my sofa. My big red sofa.
Sounds good.
And I will order pizza.
Ooh, pizza. What kind of pizza?
I like pepperoni. Simple.
Pepperoni is very good. I like cheese pizza. Just cheese. Lots and lots of cheese.
Okay. And sleep?
Yes, you need sleep.
I will watch a funny movie. A comedy. I need to laugh after this week.
Yes, you do. That sounds like a perfect Friday.
What about you after shopping on Saturday?
Saturday night, Maria and we will have dinner.
Oh, nice. To talk about the wedding?
Yes, talk about the wedding and Leo and my new dress.
Where will you eat?
We like the small Italian restaurant, Luigi's.
Luigi's. Oh, I love their pasta.
Me too. They have the best pasta.
Okay, so pizza for me, pasta for you.
We like Italian food.
Yes, we do.
Well, that is a good weekend.
Yes.
Wow, Paul, look at the time.
Oh, yes. Time flies when we talk.
Yes, it does.
It was so nice to talk with you, Emily. I feel better, not so tired.
Oh, good. Me too. I liked our chat.
And thank you, everyone, for listening.
Yes, thank you so much. That is all the time we have for today.
We hope you liked our conversation. It was a real chat.
Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And click the like button if you had fun today.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, a question. What is it, Paul?
In the comments below, tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Oh, nice. Or, what will you do this weekend?
Yes, tell us about your day or your week.
We love reading your comments in English.
Yes, we do. Great. Well, see you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.